Kenya has the potential and our local sport has the potential. And so we believed in it. And believing in it, we loosely translated it to a program of ours called Tujiamini. So Tujiamini is loosely translated to let's believe in ourselves. So SportPesa, I think what we can do is basically reaffirm our commitment to the circuit. I think SportPesa is pumping up to 16.5 million shillings in the second edition of the SportPesa National 7 Circuit. And this is not cast in stone. Remember, this is just what we're putting together to support this tournament. Just same as last year, we'll be putting in place, I think, a prize money to all the divisions, both Division 1 and Division 2, to about a tune of 2.2 million in total prize money for the entire circuit.
7 Circuit is a good platform for that competition. So just thanks to everybody involved, the title sponsor, of course, who gives us the assurance that the circuit will take place, and the host clubs. We can never forget the host clubs.
We have a women's tournament taking place as well, and really appreciate our partners who've walked this journey with us and who've come on board believing in the spirit of Kenya Harlequins as a community club, and also in wanting to celebrate with us the 57th edition of Christie Sevens.
For me, it's just to welcome everyone as we look forward to this week to kick off the National 7 Circuit with